National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 132, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Georgia, Tennessee, Lamont, Newton, and